Hey everyone, this is Tim from DualSense Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the resolution on your PlayStation 5 Pro if the settings are wrong on your TV or the PS5. So this is very simple. You can notice your PS5 is turned on, indicated by the blue light. What we want to do is launch it into the safe mode menu. So with it turned on, hold down the power button. And hold it down for about 5 to 10 seconds. Until you see it start to blink like this. That's an indication it's going to be turning off. So just continue to hold it down. So let's hold it down. And now it's blinking. If you just press it once, it's going to enter rest mode. If you hold it down, it's going to turn it off completely. Now grab a USB cable just like this, plug it into the controller so we can operate the safe mode menu. Then when this light stops blinking, hold down the power button once again. And continue to hold it down until you hear a beep this time. So I should hear a beep. I can let go now. And then we can go to the safe mode menu on the TV. And the resolution should be something that's compatible. Press the PlayStation button on the controller and you should be able to operate this menu. Go down to change video output and go to change resolution right here. And then go to OK. So maybe you went to a new TV and the TV has a different setting than the PlayStation. It's just going to show up as a black screen. So if you go to this setting, you can actually change it and view the menus. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.